Hi, I'm Georgiana at Holistic Life Hub. The access to spirituality is not conditioned by a certain moment or a certain season. We can dedicate ourselves to the spiritual quest at home, at work, or in a spiritual community on a hot summertime or during the winter with lots of snow. The series of techniques you will receive that are included in the chapter Life Cycles are simple, practical, and aim at enriching every moment of our life, metamorphing the familiar actions into grandiose experiences, helping us to expand our field of consciousness and granting us a luminous joy which is our most precious treasure. Practicing the simple holistic techniques presented during this chapter will create intimate, sacred moments in our daily life that will allow us to ineffably feel the divine, mysterious presence in our inner universe. Remaining anchored in the normal conditions and the stream of our daily life that is familiar to us, we can, in the same time, experience states of plunging into the spiritual dimensions and discover how to integrate our existence at a physical, emotional, but also spiritual level. We can discover how to open our eyes and look with a fresh perspective upon the world, being thirsty for everything that is wonderful. We can learn how to be at peace with ourselves and to love everything we are in this life, in this incarnation. We are all, from a physical, emotional, and spiritual point of view, influenced by the cycles of the seasons. Each of us has a specific energy and a particular frequency of vibration. We can integrate the traditional annual cycles and the characteristics for each season. By practicing the methods I teach in this chapter, you will be able to always go with the flow, to feel integrated and harmonious